how to add glowing text in CapCut. So when we open up a video in CapCut, we can add text to it and we can make it have a glowing effect. So first I'm going to click on add text, which is going to be on the bottom bar. It's going to be the second one. So we're going to click on that and then type whatever phrase. Then in the middle of the screen, you can see we're on templates right now. I am going to scroll to styles. Then underneath the styles where it gives me different like glowing examples, we can click on either this yellow right here or this green right here, or right beneath that we can click on glow. So we can kind of customize what we would like the glow to be. We can customize the color, we can make it glow more, glow less. You can click on this color wheel and change the color here as well. And that is how you do the glow effect on CapCut.